Dreaming of that new foundation or luxurious skincare set from Sephora, but worried about the upfront cost? What if I told you could spread the payments? Today, we're diving into how to use Clearpay at Sephora, making your beauty haul more flexible than ever. Clearpay is a fantastic buy now, pay later service that lets you split your Sephora purchases into 4 interest-free installments. This means you can get the beauty products you love today and pay for them over time. It's super simple, convenient, and a great way to manage your budget while still indulging in your favorite items. First things first, head over to Sephora.com or visit a Sephora store. Start filling your virtual basket or your physical one with all the goodies you've been eyeing, whether it's makeup, skincare, fragrance, or hair care. Clearpay can be used on most items, including those amazing sale finds. Once you're ready to check out online, you'll see various payment options. Look for the Clearpay option and select it. If you're shopping in store, make sure to ask the cashier at checkout if they accept Clearpay. You'll then be prompted to log into your Clearpay account or create one. If you don't already have one, it's a quick and easy process. After selecting Clearpay, you'll need to confirm your order. Clearpay will then automatically divide your total purchase amount into 4 equal payments. Your first payment is due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 payments will be automatically deducted from your chosen payment method. Every 2 weeks, you'll get reminders beforehand, so you never miss a payment. And that's it. You've successfully used Clearpay at Sephora. You can now enjoy your new beauty treasures without paying the full amount upfront. It's the smart way to shop your Sephora favorites and keep your beauty routine on point, all while staying in control of your finances. Happy shopping!